So it's currently 7:36 a.m. on Thursday, the 21st of July on 2022, and man, this would be such perfect weather if I didn't fucking despise cul-de-sacs and this neighborhood wasn't full of fucking moronic idiots who think that making noise means life. But yeah, I have my RLA test today for my GED. Yeah. Thankfully it's at the Paulding campus, which is only about 14 minutes away, so I don't have to be in the car for an hour listening to Ella's shitty fucking music. That's my sister. Sister, brother, whatever. I don't even know what her pronouns are at this point. It's just weird. But yeah, I really like rain because it's peaceful. And honestly, I have all the lights off in here right now because that's the best way to enjoy rain. No lights, just you sitting in the dark, listening to the sound of it falling. Maybe a bit of reading too, if you can see well enough, but majority of the time you can't. So it's just perfect weather, man. It's just perfect weather. I really wish we lived in some kind of like mountain house where where we could just sit on the porch and read and just listen to the rain. But alas, we do not. So I feel quite sad about that, honestly. hoping to just sit you guys out there so you could listen to the rain, but I guess it's not gonna happen. Yeah. Guess I'll see you guys